Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making a focused workspace. Sign in and create a sheet titled for the client or week. Once done, add essential headers: task, assignee, due, status, notes, time. Make sure to install or enable the macro recorder and open the app's script editor now, because automation will save time. Grant editor access to any teammates and lock view-only ranges for safety. This first step sets the structure, so your sheet behaves like a reliable virtual assistant from day one. Now you build the processes that do the work. Populate dynamic lists with if, VLOOKUP, filter, and concat, then use import range to pull external task lists. Next, open app script to write simple functions that send emails or move completed rows. Attach time-driven triggers to run hourly or daily. Create drop-downs and checkboxes for status and assignee, and apply conditional formatting so high-priority items stand out. These steps make the sheet execute routine decisions without manual babysitting. Finish by testing everything end-to-end. Run scripts manually, then set time-driven triggers to automate reporting and notifications. Make a dashboard using SUM and COUNTIF, plus simple charts for quick status. Share the final sheet with stakeholders and instruct them how to use drop-downs and comment for clarifications. If something goes wrong, check app's script execution logs and permission prompts first, because most failures are due to insufficient access or expired triggers. Fix those and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.